Hi guys, I'm Taj.
I'm Saulothechef.
And we are
the cooking couple. And we're back again with another video.
Like we never left.
And today we are taking you to Swahili. Manze jamani, tunaingia katika Uswahilini jamani. Leo tunawapikia chakula kingine kizuri. We are going to give you a very good recipe. And guess what the recipe is? Pilau. Jamani, unajua maandalizi ya pilau? Pilau pale, kachumbari, na nini? Pilipili ya kukaanga, si ndio? So guys, I hope you will enjoy the recipe, guys.
Yeah, for those who requested, your request granted.
And let's take you to the kitchen. So we are making beef pilau. And this is our beef. We just cut into cubes. But for the other food like biryani, it's always big chunks. But for now, we're just cutting cubes. We put our salt, onion trimmings, garlic, dhania stock. That will enhance the flavor of the beef. Then dark soy.
Onion, garlic, and ginger. Garlic and ginger, we are going to make a ginger garlic paste.
You can feel the aroma of the meat and the dhania stock, the onion, the garlic. It gives that good flavor to the meat. So, as we continue to do this, let's do our pilau. Pilau masala consists of cinnamon sticks, black pepper, cumin, cardamom pods, cloves. These are the cloves. Heat them on a pan so that it can extract more flavors, and then after that allow it blended. Definitely when you eat your pilau with sticks, sometimes it can be a little bit, and then we are going to crush all this into a powder form. Make our Pilau Masala.
I've washed my rice 3 times. And why do you have to wash rice when you're before cooking?
The reason for washing rice is cleanness. Rinsing rice removes dust, debris, chemicals, and bugs. In short, you are getting rid of the type of thing that you probably don't want to eat in your finished rice dish. After all, it may travel with substance that weren't properly removed during the manufacturing process in the first place, and this changed the taste of the rice. And another reason to rinse rice is to remove excess starch on the rice kernel surface. This gives the cooked finished products a fluffy texture. With separate rice kernels, Otherwise, without rinsing, the excess starch will remain on the rice, potentially yielding gummy or overly sticky rice once cooked. And this will make your rice sticky. That's sticky. Yeah.
The type of the rice does not matter.
No, the type of the rice does not matter. It's how you cook it, how you right? It's called wash it.
And of course, but you have also to look for a good quality rice for you to get a good quality and good cooked rice.
So for rice, you have to wash it 3 times.
3 mara tatu.
Mchele wako mara 3, utapata
1 grain.
1 grain. Yeah. So now we have got our onions, tomato paste, our ginger paste, and
garlic paste.
Yeah, crushed our spices. This is the result. This is the result.
This is now the Pilau Masala.
Pilau Masala, yeah, exactly. After doing that, this is the result. So from there, we have already told you about the rice, and here you have our 300 grams rice. So
our meat is ready. Our beef is ready.
Our beef meat is ready, and right now we just separate the stock and the meat, and we go down to the cooking. So that's our boiled meat, ginger paste, that's a garlic, as I told you, tomato paste,
in our stock.
Na stock, this stock inatokana kutoka kwa zile nyama za ng'ombe umezichemsha. Usimwage hayo maji, kwa sababu hayo maji yana contain a very good flavors. You have seen you have enhances our flavor with some garlic, with some dark soy sauce, mushroom flavored, and some dania. So this is a very rich stock. I love using fresh tomato because it provides that freshness. So I chop my tomato and ensure that your tomato is peeled, so that you don't have a what should I call it? Pilau yenye maganda. Neka mafuta yako ya kukaanga, yasikuwe mengi sana. Your oil is hot before putting your onion. This is our onion. We fry our onion. We fry your onions. Color, a little golden brown. Garlic paste. Okay. And then you put your ginger paste. Oops. The onion, garlic, after caramelizing. And then we fry our meat, our beef, our spices, onion, and we give it a good fry. We put our tomato paste. Put our tomato, fresh tomato. Yeah. This is nice. This looks nice. Yeah. And wash dry. See? Good. Talk. Just show you the description. And while cooking, guys, don't forget to taste your seasoning. It's very important. For us, we need a little more salt. So utakoroga after just add your seasoning.
I do have to cover your rice when cooking.
When you're cooking your rice, don't cover your rice at this point. At this point, let it boil. When you cover your rice, remember it's steaming. Definitely, when the steam hits the lid, the water, the evaporation,
the
steam. When it condenses, it becomes water. So definitely, you'll find your rice is not drying up. So it's reached a point to cover it up. You see, but when you just test your rice and you find your rice is like al dente, that you always use in pasta, right?
Al dente.
Al dente, yeah. It's a little bit almost some minutes to cook rice.
Just a few minutes.
Yeah, a few minutes before, so that it can just cook with its steam. At that point, you can just cover it up. Yeah, spices. Yeah.
So the pilau is not the color.
Pilau is not the color. Pilau is how you balance your spices. Yeah.
Sometimes too much.
If too much of something, definitely it's poisonous.
So pilau is not the color. Pilau is balancing the spices.
Balancing the spices and give you that brown color. I cover my rice and then I put off. Definitely when we make our pilau, we don't miss a salad. Famous salad that is always goes well with pilau. So we have got our kachumbari. We make kachumbari, but ours we're giving it a little bit twist of mango to make that sweetness. So we have got our mango kachumbari, and that's what we're preparing. So we got our tomatoes, onion, mango, and that's how we make our mango kachumbari. So we just get rid of this.
Should be sweet and not overripe.
Then got some julienne. This the mango is very sweet, guys. I was just testing it and nice one. Without kuonja, but yeah, in our farm we had some cherry tomatoes. We said, why not? Should just add some, a little bit taste of it.
Fresh from the farm.
Fresh from the farm. Just give it that.
Yeah, cherry tomato.
Yeah, got cherry tomato.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, in our language we call them tindi jere jere. Yeah. Tindi jere jere.
Tindi jere jere.
Yeah. Tindi jere jere.
Tindi jere jere.
Yeah. So we just cut that. We just use this in our garnish. This will provide a very good assessment of flavors. So for that, yeah, I love chilies. So you can use green chilies. Unfortunately, we just had ripe ones in our farm. So we said, why should we not do that? Let's just use the ripe ones. For that, we just chop our coriander. Yeah.
So we are going to mix everything together to make kachumbari. So after that, we are going to mix with the lemon juice. In a free hack, for you to get more lemon juice, you have to roll it over, cut your lemon. You see, it's more juicy. Please don't use the seeds. And then squeeze your lemon. Then put your dhania. Then put your salt. Then mix. And your mango kachumbari is ready.
Our pilau is ready just by using a fork. So naona vile mchele umeachana. I told you the secrets, eh? You see? Yani Swahilini basi pilau mambo ni kama haya.
Now they know the secret.
Now that's the secret. You can see my rice, long grain, no sticky. Now let's go to the plating time.
Finally, our pilau is ready.
Pilau is ready. Yeah. You are serving it with the hot sauce.
So for the hot sauce,
that is hot sauce. Pilipili ya kukaanga. Yeah, this is pilipili ya kukaanga. You can see.
Yeah. Share the recipe
in the next video. So guys, subscribe and I show you how we make this pilipili ya kukaanga. Very good for pilau.
And for those people who love to be
spicy. Spicy has got a very good taste, guys. You should try it, right? Yeah. How do you feel it? Should we try it?
No. For you, yes, but for me.
Alright, so now pilipili ya kukaanga there. Here. With a good height. The ladies first. So ladies try.
The food is so yummy. All you have to do is follow the recipe.
This is the recipe how to make pilau. Hivi ndio vitu tunavyotengeneza pilau au tunapika pilau na pilipili ya kukaanga na mango kachumbari. Yani chakula hiki cha kutoka Swahili, si ndio? And guys, if you really enjoyed the recipe, guys, subscribe to them, hit that like button, give us what next you would really love us to prepare for you guys.
Yeah, let us know in the comment section.
Yeah.
And guys, if you want to support us, you want to support what we do.
Yep, we got this caps. This is the logo, Saulothechef. Saulothechef, guys. We are giving it out to our fans, guys.
Yeah.
If you love this, just hit our comment section, and then you'll get one of these. Right?
Yeah, we have white, we have blue, we have any color.
Any color that you love. Yeah. I hope you love this, guys.
Can't wait to eat it.
You can't wait to eat.
Yeah.
So, guys, let's dig in, huh? Tamu manze. Chakula jamani Mswazi. Hii kitu ni tamu. But let me tell you guys, this thing is so nice.
Yeah.
How do you feel it?
Good food.
Good guys.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
See you
In the next video.
video.